In this tutorial, I will guide you how to update OBS Studio on your PC, so make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. But before updating OBS Studio on your PC, just take a note of the current version that you're using before updating it. You can either take a screenshot or just write it down on Notepad. For mine, it is 31.0.3. Now, this is a latest version, so you may need to write it down or take a screenshot of this page before updating it to the latest version. Or you may need to take a note of the current version that you're using before updating it. You may face some issues after updating the OBS Studio, since that latest version may come with some issues or may not be compatible with your device. So since you know the version that you're previously using, you can just go on Google. So you can just go on Google here and search for OBS Project old versions. Click on the link for the GitHub page here. This link will also be available on the description of this video. Just search for that version that you take a note from it. Click enter and you can download it. After downloading it, install it and you continue using OBS Studio without any issues. Now let me show you how you can update OBS Studio. Just open the OBS Studio and then select here where it is written help. Then select where it is written check for updates. Now OBS Studio will try to check for any updates that are available. Since I'm using the latest version, so that you can see here no updates are currently available. But for you may see some updates here and you'll be able to download the updates from here. Now, another way you can use to update OBS Studio, just go on Google here and then search for OBS Project. So go to obsproject.com and then download the version that is suitable for your device. You can see here there is Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Now, this version which are available here are already updated to the last version. As you can see, there's a latest release. So this is the latest version. So after downloading it, you'll be able to install it. But before installing it, make sure to uninstall the current one that you're using, which is OBS Studio. So you can just uninstall it using the Revo uninstaller or just Windows program uninstaller. So uninstall it. After uninstalling it, download the one which is a latest version from this website here, which is obsproject.com. But if you want to roll back to your previous update, just go on Google and search for OBS Project old versions. Click the link from GitHub page. Also, this page will be available on the description of this video. Search that version that you take note or take a screenshot. Search that version here and then click enter and you'll be able to download it easily. So that's how you can update OBS Studio on your PC, and you can roll back to your previous updates easily by going to this GitHub releases for OBS project. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.